Here we are over in Bolton this afternoon, installing a Starlink for a customer. This customer didn't want anything on his brand new render, so we opted for the flag mount. Nice little bracket, threaded rod through the flag, 2 bricks for a bit of extra weight, clear line of sight, cables tucked under that lip there, straight along, over, down the side of his render so that it wasn't on the front. Just under that lip there, all tucked away nicely, and a hole drilled on an angle to avoid the render. Customer was receiving 15 megabytes per second, he's now receiving over 150 megabytes per second. Tower and Phil, Space Internet Solutions.